pulley, main pulley, and bottom collar screw, roller pump cover, and this seal needs put new seal, and bottom collar, okay, and parts. The intake manifold screw, thermostat, roller pump, the new roller pump, roller pump screw, and then location. Make it like this for push load. This is the left side, right side, and so today's next one, clean up this and hold the fast.